Yep, that's me. I am inside a giant mixer. But wait, Zara said goodbye to me earlier. Let's go back and find out. You can't catch me, big guy! Ouch. What is this? A broken piece? Whoa! Oh! An enemy. I must fight. Ouch! Zara? Why did you kick me? I was drinking milk. Oh no. I am so sorry. I thought you were a bad guy. Ugh. My jacket is ruined. Ugh. Wait a minute. Zara, how did you get here? I found this glowing piece. Then, ZAP. I was here. This orb is a radar. It tells me if a planet needs help. If a planet is in trouble, it brings me there. Wait! Oh no! A planet is dying! A new planet needs us! Hold on tight, Zara! Whoa! Sticky hat! Wow! It is like a slow merry-go-round. But I am stuck. Don't worry, Leo. I will get you out. Awesome! I am floating in a bubble! Guys, the bubble is floating too high. How do we stop it safely? The snow button or the fire button? It is completely frozen solid. I need a tool. Let's break it. Whew! Safe landing. Safe landing. Oops! It is not sticky anymore. It is so slippery. Leo, grab the plastic arm. Let it push you like a carousel. Whee! This is fun! Got the battery. I am coming, Zara. Great job, Leo. Now, open the door. Here we go. Wow. Look at all these mechanical stations. Leo, they look exactly like you. Are they robots?
Wake up the robotic copies.
Zara, stay behind me. I will distract them. Ouch! Why are you blocking me? Leo, look! They are copying you. Copying me? Let's figure this out. Raise your left arm. They are playing Simon Says. If I move, they will move like a mirror.
Leo, look. 2 yellow plates on the floor.
Yes! The door is open. Let's go! Oh, if we walk away, it closes. We need someone else to stand on them. Guys, I have to trick them. What should I do? Do a split or dance? Come on, shout it out. I can't hear you. Dance it is! Everybody, dance with us! The door is open. Let's go. Run! Run! They are too far! Run back to the slime room! I have a plan! Hey! Over here, you metal copies! Whoa! Get back! Zara, now! Don't worry, I got you! Pull! Whew! We did it! Run! OMG! It got me! Help me! Help!
Oh, man. Just take off the shoe.
Whew! We are safe. But now I have only one shoe. And my sock is very sticky. Can you dance like me? Show me your moves and hit subscribe.
The boy is smart. Kip, release your masterpiece. Send the Titan robot. Crush him.
P, please. Yay, yes. Right away, boss.
We made it! We are outside. Oh no! Where are we? Whoa! What will happen next? Hit like and subscribe to find out in part 2.